guys, it's me, Armani, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Y'all, in this video, I am so excited. Like, I have been waiting for this moment for like the past year. No joke. Not even gonna lie to y'all. But we just gonna get straight into the video because this one's a good one. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. Here is the baby. She is literally so cute. Like, don't mind the little dent, but this is the box that it came in. These are all the things that it includes in the box. That's the other side. All right. I'm not gonna be chit-chatting for I'm just gonna take out the box, and I'm gonna also show y'all some accessories that I got for the camera, and we're gonna low-key kind of set it up together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get back. Let's start the video. All right, so here's the box. I got my camera from Best Buy. All the stuff is going to be in the description box below. Yeah, that's just it. I already opened it a little bit, so don't mind it, but we are just gonna dive right in it. I'm so excited to finally use this camera because I have been waiting. I have not touched this camera since I got it. I've been wanting to open it with y'all, and then, you know, that's when I'll use it. So here is, ooh, so it comes with this, some stuff, like how to work the camera. Also comes with stickers too, but I think you need an app, so I already downloaded the app on my phone. So I have the app on my phone, just so y'all know. So okay, let's get into it. So we're gonna start with just this one. Here is the camera like thing, bag, I'm guessing. Here's the bag. It's cute too, like little portable. So when you open it, you have all this space in here. Sorry, I want to put a cat. Okay, so you got all this. So let's just grab this. Ooh. So this right here is the charger part. Don't be off right now. Like, no, I don't even want to open it. Like, you got this, the battery. And then this is a longer battery. This is the tripod, mini tripod. And then you have the mic, period. And then you got this, a wind blocker to go on the mic. Then you got a cord charger. Oh, and this is the C-type. This can charge my phone too. And then the camera lens, the wide angle lens. Y'all can't really see it. It's so little. Oh. Okay, and now and then the camera. The gimbal. camera, y'all. This is the camera. I'm trying to get a better angle because I'm gonna actually, hold on. Okay, before I turn it on, y'all, we gonna just add the cute little accessories on it. So I got this from Amazon, pink, obviously, because pink is my favorite color. Block it. This, it comes with this stuff. Hold on, wait, let's actually. Ooh. Y'all know that pink by the E. Ah. I love this for me. And then you got this. Did I do this wrong? No, I think I did it right. I don't know. This goes like this, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, this goes on the mic. Is it like this? Oh, wait. Y'all, it's these nails. It's the nails. It's the nails. It's the nails. I can't even put this thing on, like, bro. Okay, we're gonna do that later because it just. Bro, she needs help. This. This is for the camera. This is go like. Hold on. Having technical difficulties. Oh. Hold on, guys. Technical difficulties. Okay, we're just gonna move on to the next thing because now I'm a little confused. I don't know. That makes sense. Okay. This, I think this goes on top of the screen thingy. So like this. Oh, like that. But now before opening, like, let's turn it on. Like, this is what y'all came for, like, to see me turn it on. I'm ready. Hold on, my battery dying. Okay, I changed my battery. I'm so sorry for that, y'all. But I actually got the case on it now. So this is what the case will look like with it on it. It got this little stringy whatever, but let's turn her on. Okay, peel the plastic off. Boom, baby. So we're just gonna click English. Oh, okay, so now it's telling me to download the app, so I'm going to scan it. So I'm scanning the app on my phone. We're about to see. Okay. I think I have the app.
3, first use.
We're gonna put open. Allow. Okay, connect. Okay. 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 I know. Okay. Now it's telling me to connect my Pocket. And then it's telling me the code. So we're going to accept the code. Alright. Then on my phone. And then boom. We got my phone. So we're going to connect it. Log in. Oh. I don't have an account. So I got to register. Let me register real quick. Just put my information in. Okay, it's logging me in. Now I gotta go back and enter my password. All right. Save password and then activating my camera. Ah! Sorry, I'm still on the phone with her. I don't know what it's doing, y'all. Hold on. Okay. Okay, exit. Get started. Enjoy live view. So it's just basically telling me stuff. Okay, next. It's downloading something. This, I'm not gonna lie to you, is so clear. Okay, so it's telling me what to do. Y'all can't see it. Dang. Okay. So swipe to the right to change the image audio, to switch between different shooting modes, video, phone, select, okay, face, okay. Oh! Wait a minute. I'm not gonna lie. This camera quality, tap to check the battery level, 43. Oh, let me see. I think it's this way. Y'all, this is nice. Like, they be telling people we. Okay, I want to show y'all. I think with this. Okay, so I just added the little lens thingy on it. So it doesn't have an SD card, but I have an SD card that I'm going to use. But this is the camera, y'all. I don't even want to touch it. Like, I might actually cry. But here's a tripod that I got for it. Let me see it. Let me see. So here's a tripod I ordered off of Amazon. It comes with this extra stuff, but then this is just a tripod to use for the camera. So, ooh. Oh, I think I put the case on backwards for this. Ooh. How do you take it off? Oh, shoot. Anyways, I put this case on backwards. So I'm trying to take this off real quick. Oh, okay. So you click the button to take it off so you can insert it, and then you click the button to take it off. There we go. And then the tripod goes at the bottom. And then here's the tripod with the... Y'all can tell I'm excited. Like, I'm low-key. Now I want to record a video just so y'all can, like... This also came in the box. We about to open this up as well. I don't know what's in this, so let's see. This is the camera. This is for the case. This is the case for the camera. But, you know, I'm most likely going to use this because I'm probably just going to use this when I travel. Oh, yeah. So this is my new camera, guys. I am so excited and I'm so blessed, bro. Oh, here's where you put the SD card at. So, boom. This is my new camera, guys. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to film. Tap the switch between the go to control the zoom in. So here is, oh my god, y'all, like, my Bookie, like, what we gonna name her? I don't even know what we gonna name her, but she is so cute. But y'all, it says there's no SD card in here, so this is nice, bro. I low-key wanna just I know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna end my video using this camera, and I want to see if y'all can tell the difference with the camera quality. So give me like 2 minutes. I'm gonna record. Hopefully I'm gonna record on this camera to do like an intro, and then do an outro, and then yeah. So yeah, swipe right to adjust the, okay. Hey y'all, it's me. Oh my god, I feel like it looks so clear right now, but this is me just ending out the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if y'all are ready for this new bomb quality and this, I wouldn't say new content because I still am doing the same content, but if y'all ready for the clarity, the quality, just everything, yeah, I am super excited. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and y'all have a good night. Peace.